place I like to go. It's by the water where the trade winds blow. You can find me there when the sun goes down. It's such a cool place in this island town. You know they make a mean Long Island tea. After two of those, not much matters to me. Margaritas flow like water. The girls just keep getting hotter and hotter. At the Tiki bar, just down the road a little ways, it ain't that far. Talking about the Tiki bar. No need to dress up, just come as you are. Now this seaside bar is just a little grass hut. When it rains, you know it don't really leak that much. The coolest girls show up when the sun goes down. That's when the sharks come out and start swimming around. One day the hurricane comes. We all just hunkered down with a bottle of rum. Some of the houses they blow away, but that little tiki hut was there to stay. Margaritas flow like water. The girls just keep getting hotter and hotter. At the Tiki bar, just down the road a little ways, it ain't that far. Talking about the Tiki bar. No need to dress up, just come as you are. Margaritas flow like water. Girls just keep getting hotter and hotter. At the Tiki bar. Talking about the Tiki bar. Talking about the Tiki bar.
Stacked them up.
Back in between.